Anyway, safe journey.
Yeah.
I'll try to meet again. Nice meeting you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye. If you need anything, you just talk with my brother who is sitting in the back side. Safe journey once again.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Hello guys, welcome back, and it's gonna be a last vlogs with just Mint. We meet as a stranger and we're gonna part with each other as a very close friend, and we support each other. They arrived to my place. It has been, I think, how many days that we
I don't know,
are
like
here?
almost a week maybe.
Yeah, almost a week. We have
Today's
been together.
Saturday, right?
Saturday.
Yeah, I think I came.
When did you came?
I think I came on Friday last week.
Last week.
I think.
Almost a week.
Yeah.
So
more than
we
a
had
week.
been here, and after that, from this place we started our journey to Longwa. After that, we went to Sangyu village. We back here again, and we also visited like historical place, Yannu village. We went for fishing, so many things. We even went to feel Katy side, and we just have a fun time.
Yeah,
and
that
thank
was
you
so much fun. Thank you. You showed me so much. It was amazing.
So like every beginning has an end. So it's a kind of ending part, collaborating with each other.
Yeah.
But
For now.
Yeah, for now. And we start friendship relations, and we can connect with each other through YouTube, through
Exactly.
contact, and we can help each other in the coming days too.
Yeah.
So consider as a big blessing, and I learned so many things. And the main thing what I learned from you is like the brief woman ever I have seen.
Brave woman.
Brave woman
thank you.
ever I have
you.
seen, since you told us like you had been visited to different countries, a lone traveler.
Yes.
And you are here in the lane of Ang, and we visit to different place. And you are also a type of person where you can adjust with a different kind of person.
That's true.
The
Yeah.
place is too messy. My place is
No,
too
it's
messy.
not. It's fun.
Comparing to advanced people, like it's not a place like where the people or stranger can relax very well. But the thing is that he enjoy a lot with us, and we just ate whatever we ate together.
Yeah.
And the main thing that you give me an opportunity is like I'm not that much fluent, or I never make vlogs in English.
Okay.
And I never thought that I could make vlogs in English, complete vlogs.
You're
and
doing
all.
so well.
But through her, and there's no other option.
That's
like,
true.
you
Unfortunately,
can't,
I don't speak any
yeah,
of his languages.
Yes.
Yeah.
She can't speak Hindi, neither Nagamese, our mother tongue. So the only option is that I should have to speak in like
Thank you
English.
for that. Thank you.
So I'm
Yeah.
trying my best, and
No, it's
we had a
good.
great time. And I do apologize, like if we have done something like mistake in front of you while we are making a job,
I don't
while
think
we
so.
are
No,
together,
no.
while we are going here and there for vlogging.
Yeah.
So I just want to apologize
Nah,
from my
it's all
side
good.
too.
It's all good.
So
Yeah.
if you have any message, and the brief moment, not only in his practical, and last night something happened that that woman could even jump to a toilet thing here.
I did not jump, but that's a story that I've shared on my channel. It'll be story time. So check it out. It's pretty fun. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for offering me to stay and hosting and guiding me and taking me to all those cool places, all the historical sites. And through you, I got to meet so many amazing people. I got to meet some of the kings, and they're also very humble and friendly and so welcoming. Like, I mean, anywhere in Nagaland, everyone's so welcoming. So that's something I've definitely learned, like how to treat guests, like a member of the family. So that's very beautiful. And yeah, Mon has so much history, you guys. Like within the week, we've only covered like the tip of the iceberg, and there's so much more to explore. So I hope to come back, and when he builds his new house, I hope to come back and stay here again. It'll be cool. And yeah, like you said, you've learned stuff from me. The things I've learned from you is like how to be more selfless and be caring and offering help to others without ever wanting anything in return. And that's so kind of you. Like, you have a very beautiful soul. So it was nice to spend time with his energy and learn from that. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. I don't know if you friends can be. I would like to thank all the friends, those who are collaborating with us, helping me, she came to my place, but there are lots of friends who help me, who accompany to
Yes,
us.
yes,
And
yeah.
it's not only me like who guiding her, but there are many friends, starting from my family members and all the friends. Because of you guys' support, we could roaming around here and there. You guys know that I don't have bike, I don't have car, we don't have anything, but it's all because of the blessing from the friend side. And
but
Tengai,
but also it's at the end of the day it's because of you. You have these people in your life because of how you've lived your life, right? You've also given them so much, so now they're like returning like all those kind of gestures by taking your guests around, driving and going to all these places. So it shows more of you and your characteristics by seeing your friends and your families and how they treat you. So that was so beautiful.
yes, thank you so much. So, what is your next plan? Could you please highlight to our family members?
Yeah.
Next
So
plan.
tonight I'm taking the night bus to Dimapur, and I'll be staying with another YouTuber, Api Cooks and
Vlogs,
Vlogs,
yeah.
right? Yeah, so I'll be staying with her. So blessed for that. And then we're gonna go travel to Arunachal together, and there's going to be another vlogger who will help us explore through I think Zero and Tawang at least, and then we'll see how it goes from there. His name is Durlov, so I'm very excited to meet those two and explore Arunachal together.
Yes. আৰু guys আপনি আজি কৈ দি আছে কি আপনি cooks and vlogs তো আপনি আমি জানি আছে my cousin sister, so
Yeah.
I told him to guide her because she's new to Nagaland, so sister আজি ৰাতি night service তে তাই NST তে যাই যাবলৈ আছে যাই কিনে early in the morning she gonna reach out to
Yeah,
Dimapur, so
yeah.
it will be a problem for her because it's a new place. So Api Cooks and Vlogs is going to take an initiative of picking her up and going to his place, and we will spend the day Sunday, and I think you
Yeah,
guys
we'll
will be
leave
in
on
the,
Monday evening, I think. Yeah.
one day will be with Api Cooks and
Yeah,
Vlogs,
yeah.
and you guys will be together. I
Yeah.
think to meet with the Arunachal vloggers. So moi give it time thaki shigule though, like I feel like going there together,
Yeah,
vlogging
that'd be
around,
nice, yeah.
collaborating. But the thing is that I'm quite busy. You
He's
guys
a
can see
busy
in the
man.
background. I'm about to build a house. Had একদম বিজি স্কেজুল একটা এন্ড স্ট্রেঞ্জার খান
Yeah.
দুসরা জায়গা পৰা আইছি গলি তো মানে অলপ সেফ একটা আজি তো মেম তো লাইক ইমান ছোটো ৰুম একটা দে না দুখ জায়গা দে না এনে বহি কিনা যাই যাই আছে বাট ইন দ্য কামিং ডেজ দুসরা স্ট্রেঞ্জার or foreigners if they visit to my place, I just want to give some space so that they can relax না peacefully. এটুলা ভাবনা কৰি কিনা ঘৰটো বনাবলৈ শুরু হৈছে আজি পৰা with the help of all the cousin brothers. We are start working building our house. So now please kindly support to her, and she really inspiring many people in our
Yeah,
society. Though the
exactly.
women
Yeah,
are
yeah.
dominated by the men, and we don't count that much. But the thing is that if we work hard or if we have a dedication, then everyone can do like her. That's what I learned from her.
Yeah.
So I do encourage all the sisters and brothers, so let us cooperate with each other. Arunachal jai jai kina, for example, tai Arunachal ke stranger kan na, tai vloggers kan, friends kan, apni kan side agi chiguli. I do request na. I'm trying my best. Like well, time I have only time. I can see since it's my place, so I know where is historical place to whom we can make a conversation, to whom we make a link. So I do assist with all the people wherever we are, and we all are very much warm welcome to both of us. So I would like to thank each and every one of you who helping us throughout our journey. Our journey ta aji montown brana ekdom enjoy gorina chai jawle na mondu dikhawla be ekta na stranger can't. If we are staying together for some few days, then we feel like a family member.
Yeah,
It's,
really
so
do.
hard to say
Yeah,
goodbye
yeah,
also, but
yeah.
everything turned to a memories,
Yeah.
experience. We learn so many things from each other. So thank you so much
Thank
for visit
you,
once
thank
again.
you.
We just had a great time.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll remember in our prayer for your journey and
Same,
coming
same,
days,
same.
and we can collaborate through a YouTube
hope
live.
so, yeah.
We can help each other even though we are apart with each other. So thank you so much once
Thank
again.
you, thank you. I've had a really wonderful stay here. He's apologizing, saying it's all messy, but I loved it. It's so peaceful and quiet. Where it is, it's just surrounded by greens, and you have a beautiful sunset every night. So I had a really good time and all the delicious meal. and his family treated me so well. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the last part. That she's with us in the kitchen near the fire. Oh, kali rati laga. This is the
Just
bag.
drying the. This is the bag that was in the poop.
Mm. What a memorable. The emotional moment, yeah.
Aww.
Oh, ma'am is about to move out from TZ. So guys, we had a great time, and it might be the last dinner he's having. Very much simple.
I'm getting my last calories in for the long journey.
Oh, itu room dey komai raise, and yeah, someone ready grace his her bake. Is getting ready to move on right now. See, everything is getting ready. So moram na. Jai Jawala says so. Oh my god. How many bags do you have? 3 bags, right?
Yeah, 2 big ones,
Mm-hmm.
and then this I will.
The
take
bigger one
to
is
the
here.
seat.
I'll carry this one. You carry it. It's too heavy.
It's heavy.
It has everything. So, oh, you just on the light. It's okay. I'll be back here. From tonight, it's gonna be my room.
Oh really?
Okay.
I had a really nice day. Very cozy room.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you so much for everything. I had a really nice day. Yes, I hope so too. Bye bye, Whitey.
Bye da.
Come with me, Whitey. Everyone.
Yeah.
Hi, it was a pleasure staying here. Nice meeting you. Bye bye. Thank you so much for everything. I had a really nice day. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
So the journey began right now from my place. What a moment! Yeah, we just had a great memories together. So the Korean lady is about to move out from TZ. Okay, you can take this bag. Is it okay to push it? It's too heavy. Okay. Get it down.
You're coming, right?
Yeah, I will be there with you.
Like, you want to sit
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
front?
yeah. You better.
I said. Hello.
From the beginning, he was the one who drive for us,
I know.
to
Thank
guide
you.
for us. Thank you on behalf of
Big thanks.
Jasmine and me. So,
Such a good girl.
yeah. At that very moment when you called me up, my name, I was quite afraid and worried that where you are, why he's calling me like that. Huh? I was
You
running
missed
after you. And I got only half part of your body, so I was shocked that you are stuck on the place. And after a few minutes only, I come to know that, oh my god,
And thank
you are.
God I didn't drop my phone.
Ah,
I had it on my hand.
oh, the phone was in your
It was
hand.
in my hand.
Oh my
I didn't drop
god, if you drop that,
Oh my gosh.
it will be another problem for us. But it's gonna be one of the good moments for all of us.
Oh my
lah.
God. I can't wait to tell my mom and watch her face. It's gonna be so disgusting.
Yup, yup.
I haven't told anyone yet.
Whenever you meet your parents,
Yeah.
tell my warm regards to them.
Oh, of course, of course. I told her already, like, everyone here is so nice.
I think where we're gonna park the here. If there's any space, you make a park.
Whoa, so many
There will be
buses.
lots
It's all the night buses.
of people out here. All the bus is going to Dimapur in Kohima. So they are gathering in this place. My god. Now we reach out to the station. So Moram, she's gonna move out from this place.
Is it this maybe?
Yeah, this is the NLT that you are going to move out.
Oh, it looks pretty good.
Oh, so we just unload the products, bags and all. So we'll get inside the bus. I will show you guys where she gonna sit.
Do they have storage under?
Yeah, yeah.
No?
Let me ask them.
Who's this?
Oh, guys, we are about to move out right now. So Right now we are in Namsa, so hello man. Get it up. Take your seat. Ah, so more on the. Yeah. Go to your seat. Anyway, safe journey. I'll try to meet again. Nice meeting you. Yeah. Come on. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you for everything.
Okay.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye. Ang abo parang yung. This is your seat, right? Everything is safe. You just let me know if you need anything. You call me up. If you need anything, you just talk with my brother who is sitting in the back side. Safe journey once again.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye. The bus is getting ready. Oh, it's stop.
Ji mà đồng ấy.
Woo! Safe journey. Chalo. Moram de jaisi de. So guys, finally, moila duty nai ko. Moi ke diala tax ekta nisnai na hoise. Tahan aibo goise and warmly welcome. Korise. Nuchuki khai ase ki loi ase etu cheese prahi tahan ke welcome korise. Ekdam bearable manu ekta thakise ki any kind of situation, any type of manu ke any birai na tahan to experience thaka manu kan ase na so advanced. Ena gori na bra manise de ki logore kochu bi ki log khaise. Phat pi mohan ki khai ase to khai ase sabji bi to khai ase adjust koise and we had a great time together. Memorable days na pauru na para laga memory kan makane kilo mark koise and all the friends starting from Tingai still shuru kura do itya tak ending tak taibi moila pichi goina as a brother, as a friend moila pichi dibi Tingai bra bishi modai koise and not forgetting Tingsai and all the friends moi count na koi thaki dibi jongol de kilo ore jai dia bosti de kilo ore guide kri dia longwa de lok pai kena warmly mohan ki welcome ka amni sob ke things dia ase in the coming days too kitia notun manukan ichu jaga de aha time de not in a negative way but positive line de mohan phapna banai na koise bole to it will turn to a blessing and memories for each and every one of you. Thank you guys for your love and support always. Aro Jasmine do konyak jaga bra the land of ang du jaga de enjoy gonai da do journey show koise Arunachal de jabo ko ase vlogs ti mohan lok pabo birai na pura kawi bia hoise de para tak moila best moi bi dise tangi service pal diure na so ta hambi khushi bane thakibo gona hope kuri ase so keep supporting by like subscribe and share and thank you once again for watching. May God bless you all and see you in the next video. Bye guys. Subo pani lop chama gore ase mota hoba na kandai ase
Moram